So good morning. Today is 21st of December. 8 it's time. The time is 8 a.m. I've done just cycling for 7 kilometers, and again I'm here on this YouTube so that I'll be completing my daily task of recording a video of for like this shorts for 2 to 3 minutes in which I'll be speaking in English just to improve my English. So if you want to just improve upon your English, you can just find out any topic, or you can in the end of the day or in the morning itself, you can just speak about your daily routine, like what happened from the morning till evening, covering your morning time, breakfast, what you did afterwards, your job, your work profile, and after lunch what you did. You just went for a run, slept, read novel, learned, listened music, and about newspaper. So these all things just make up a 2 to 3 minutes video on which you a topic on which you can speak, and you can just practice yourself. So from today I'll be speaking daily, and I'll be uploading a video every day, just in case I'll not miss it, because I have missed it from last many years. So I have taken a like pledge, or you can say I'll be regular on this thing. Just like after 1 month I'll see my this fluency, like has it improved and how much percent is it has improved. It will surely improve, I'm sure. So currently I'm in Jodhpur. Jodhpur is a district in Rajasthan, you must be knowing, and the weather is very pleasant over here, and the temperature is around 20 to 25 degrees. So it is almost like the April of Haryana. I'm from basically from Haryana, so there is winter is not there. So today was Sunday. Yesterday I slept late, so I just took out my cycle and just filled it with air and just went over a cycling ground. So for English, the basic thing is we know like what steps you have to take and what you need to do. So just to put them in action, I'm here, and I'll be doing it for myself. I don't have much time because I've been thinking of doing this from last many years. And the main thing is, if the you have to be disciplined, like everybody is saying, discipline in these things, like record yourself a video every day and be confident. Like some guy was passing, my pitch was a bit slower so that he may not hear me, but he will he'll think. So this was all for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.